Noise Rock Superstar, a certified recording artist, a true blue kapuso. Ang mga dahilan kung bakit patuloy nating hinahangaan at minamahal ang isang Gerald Santos. Join us as we celebrate his special day here on his #1 concert TV, Barkada, with Jelena, Julian, Jonathan, Maricris, Asa, Kyla, and Hart. Happy birthday, Gerald! Happy SOP to you!
Ako sa'yo, hindi magbabago yung aking kaya di dapat mong malaman.